Is Forex trading a scam? You've probably heard stories of people making millions and others losing everything. So what's the truth? I've dived deep into the world of Forex trading, and here's what I discovered. First, let's get one thing straight. Forex, or foreign exchange trading, is not inherently a scam. It's a legitimate market where trillions of dollars are traded daily. Major banks, governments, and even you and I can participate. But just because it's legitimate doesn't mean there aren't risks or bad actors. Here's the catch. Scammers love Forex. Why? Because it's complex, fast-moving, and poorly understood by most people. Some common scams include 1. Guaranteed profits promises. If someone says, "I'll double your money in a week," run the other way. No one can guarantee profits in Forex. 2. Unregulated brokers. Some platforms look professional but are designed to steal your deposits. 3. Signal selling scams. They promise insider tips for a fee but deliver worthless information. So, how do you spot the difference between legitimate Forex trading and a scam? Real traders talk about risk management and strategies, not just profits. Legitimate brokers are regulated by authorities like the CFTC, FCA, or ASIC. Education is key. Real opportunities require real effort. Always verify before you invest. When I started exploring Forex, I learned this the hard way. Success isn't about luck or flashy promises. It's about education, practice, and choosing the right tools. I also realized that the biggest mistake beginners make is diving in without knowledge. Forex trading can be incredibly rewarding, but only if you treat it like a skill to master. So, is Forex trading a scam? No, but it's a playground for scammers if you're not careful. Educate yourself, stay skeptical, and only work with trusted brokers. If you're interested in learning more, check out my free guide to avoiding Forex scams in the description below. And remember, knowledge is your best investment. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your experience with Forex trading? Let's crack the truth together.